The university is organised into 4 colleges. There's the College of Arts, College of Medical and Veterinary and Life Sciences, the College of Social Sciences, and the College of Science and Engineering, in which engineering sits. There are 7 schools within the College of Science and Engineering: chemistry, computing science, geographical and earth sciences, mathematics and statistics, physics and astronomy, psychology, and the School of Engineering. At undergraduate level, we have a portfolio of 16 degree programs, and it's the mechatronics and the mechanical design engineering programs which have been chosen to be jointly delivered both here in Singapore and in Glasgow. The degree programs are identical between here and Glasgow, and the exams are timetabled at 5 p.m. Singapore time, so that they can be timetabled 9 a.m. Glasgow time, so students can sit the same exams at the same time. Within Glasgow, the BEng degree program is a 4-year degree program consisting of maths, which is covered mainly in the first 2 years, engineering, which taught engineering courses which are throughout all the degree, management and project work, which exists in the early years, but it's also brought to the fore in the later years, particularly with the individual project in year 4. Some of the courses are common between the mechanical design engineering and the mechatronics, things such as instrumentation and data systems, design and dynamics and control, but others are distinctive. One of the major changes in the program between Glasgow and here is that an additional 10 credits of mathematics is introduced in the first semester here, and that then means that 10 credits is taken out and taught in the summer months between the middle of June and the middle of July in Glasgow. Moving on to the mechatronics degree, it is a combination of electronic engineering and mechanical engineering, and offers a systems-based approach to engineering. So you have the requirement to design a system, and you need to integrate different components from the mechanical, physical domain and the electronics, electrical domain. And throughout the degree program, there are courses in specific areas of electronics and electrical engineers and mechanical engineering, and also group project work and individual project work, which requires the combination of these two.
Let me just give you some flavor of the mechanical design engineering, and is the main feature. All engineers, mechanicals, electrical, civil, aeronautic engineers, all of them, they could be good designers. But this particular one, we will take those type of engineers, the mechanical in particular, and we try to improve their aptitude to be competent and to know the things both in systematic way and in intuitive way. And typically, some of the design issues you're going to learn: artistic and industrial design, a theory of inventive problem solving. The TRIZ is a Russian techniques to be creative in some sort of systematic way, and it's very helpful. Design for environments, which became an important issue nowadays. Human factor, design for assembly, design for ergonomic manufacture, materials and processing, etc. And the list will continue on the second slide. Design a process where they produce concepts and embodiment and details, and use the industrial design experience, communication issue, CAD, and indeed they will need later on to do some analysis on things they've learned at the course. Not all of them. In some cases they may use control and mechanics, some other time manufacturing, well, manufacturing will be central to these activities. Sometimes thermal analysis or mechanics, etc. I described to you design and manufacture 3A and 3B. These are parts of the whole curriculum. Actually, there are 10 credits for 3A and 10 credits for 3B, compared with the whole credits in year 3, which is 130 typically a 10 credit course mean 100 hours of effort, not through direct contact, but the students that often work on their own to complete the work. The other important project activities that I would like to talk about, which is important, the final year project. The same, whether you do mechatronics or you do mechanical design engineering. Again, this was 30 credits, a notional number of hours of 300 hours between contact and supervisor, doing lab work, doing your own search on things and your own work at a studio-based environment. There are some supporting technology, and I must admit the things are neon poly, not magnificent actually. We have them, but you have more of them here, I've noticed. So you look about vacuum casting for a silicon mold, you look for prototyping, printing, injection molding, scanners, and so on. These you need them to support your design activities, project design activities. There are a lot of production workshop here, but I'm showing you what you're going to experience when you're in Glasgow, the aspect of these. We have a new workshop for students, mechatronics labs, welding bay, foam cutting, and so on and so forth, just to give you some flavor of these sort of activities. Let me tell you a little bit more about Glasgow, because I think this is if you going to choose this degree program, then automatically you associate yourself with the city. You don't just visit for 4 weeks. You might really go for more than that, frequently. The Glasgow, as a word in all the Scottish language, means the dear green place. It's got a large number of public parks. Shopping suits all tastes and wallets. You don't have bargaining or discounts in the same way maybe you do here in Singapore. Prices are fixed, but there are shops of different requirements there. Suits different wallets, if you like. Excellent transport, UK. An hour in Edinburgh, 3 hours to Manchester, 5 hours in London. That's by train. And if you want to choose flying, of course, you can reach anywhere in UK in less than 1 hour. Glasgow got 2 airports in it. The Glasgow Science Centre is an important scene. Sport and culture are very important. In terms of sport, we're having the Glasgow Commonwealth 2014. That's going to happen there. But also 2012, this year, part of the activities of the Olympics in London is going to take place in Glasgow. So in conclusion to my talk, the 2 degree programs, the BEng Honors in Mechatronics and the BEng Honors in Mechanical Design Engineering, will provide you with a lot of opportunities in various industries. And hopefully you will come to this degree program and find the fruit of that in the future.